we did express disappointment because essentially what the result gives today is almost one free pass to an employer to try and dodge liability when these incidents occur. I think it's important that those who are watching from those in the Gibraltar Health Authority, the Care Agency and the ERS will feel very concerned about this verdict, and I think it's important that I reassure them that this is not over. It was also said in our press release today that we are looking to appeal the decision, and we will do so. So as far as we're concerned, the matter is not closed. There has not been a victory today for the other side, and this will continue. We will not let this lie. The issues of whether it constituted bullying or not. Obviously, we remember in the first industrial tribunal, obviously it was a found fault of the Gibraltar Health Authority. Employment tribunals, it is always the employer that is taken to task for the actions of their individuals that are employed by them. Now, in terms of the actual judgment itself, it was obviously the appeal was based on 3 points. The final point of the actual facts of the case has failed. That incident took place in a workplace. That highly inappropriate incident, which should never have happened, did take place, and there has to be accountability through that, through an internal GHA disciplinary process. If you now go and push your cameraman there behind that screen, you would expect some sort of action to take place. That would be absolutely correct. The idea that anyone should be excused or given an excuse or not be held to a higher standard than others, that is simply not acceptable. The idea that someone will equal than others is simply unacceptable. Everyone should be treated the same. But on the points of law that you mentioned, again, we have this situation. This could be seen as a victory for very bad employers, because it allows them to say that because it was not foreseeable, that therefore, essentially we've all got kind of one outburst that that we would be allowed to use. And look, whether it constitutes bullying or not, that incident is still not being addressed by the employer, and that is totally unacceptable.